Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, very special. And today I'm trying to shoot this video on Sunday. Guys, it's so late, and today we wanna do some finish up on both washroom. Actually today we done on the floor. So it's 9:09:19 a.m. That's my local time here. And actually guys, today is on Sunday, and I wish you blessed Sunday, guys. So through your support, guys, I managed to finish the washroom, and guys are remaining with the toilet only. So we say goodbye, but right now let me show you the work for today. Actually, I'm showing you the work for today, and we end up because I want to rush and bring my mason here. So, and actually I will be the handman for today. So the handman which came with the mason not feel okay. So this is my mom washroom, and actually guys today we done finishing here because that being said we didn't have the power here. So actually we try maybe to figure where it reach, and then this one gonna take the measurement every angle, and then we take to the hands, we cut to the machine where we have enough power. So this machine, they can't cut the big tiles, So we have the wheelbarrow here, and guys, I wanna say thank you so much for your full support for watching my videos, and maybe you support in other way. I managed to build the toilet, and also right now I'm fixing the tiles. So far so good. So that's the work here, and also we done the floor. Actually, for me guys, 100% big shout out to my mason here, Ken V254. So he done an amazing job. You can see guys by yourself, and drop the sweet comment, guys. Imagine. Wow. And for me, I love it, man. I love it. You see this, how these lines match together. Look, from here, come this way, and then, wow. Even this one, the same this one. Look, wow. It match, man. And for me, guys, drop on the sweet comment. Am I perfect on choosing the tiles, and also on down, because I didn't found the rough white tiles. But for now, today I will show you how we install on the floor. So on the comment section, I want to know on the floor tiles. I will show you, and maybe when it can't fit, you can advise me. Oh, hello baby, do this. I'm just doing the toilet, but right now let's see. So likewise, and likewise to other my washroom there. This is my mom washroom. So, and I wonder why this water stuck here. I wonder, guys. I wonder. You see here. Wow. So, alright. Imagine, guy, I remain with a small bag of cement here. Small bag. And yesterday, he tried to decorate this place because the tiles will be rich here. You see here. Wow. So guys, then my big aim is to put the tiles here. So actually it's to make the finishing. So that being said, earlier, right now no machine here or no power. So sometimes electronic need a lot of power. So if you doesn't have enough power, that's the end of the story. End of the story, guys. So we try to see how we finish these things. So today the only work is to put floor down and round. So that being said, earlier today I wanna be the handman for today. And guys, honestly, by God's grace, I will remain with only 2 toilets without fixing the tiles. but hopefully I will finish. I will put tiles. Hopefully, guys, I have some hopes. Sometimes, you know, construction is hard, and without any advisement or without any advice, you can't make this something the way you see here, guys. So guys, I don't I don't know what can I say about this structure that we see here. Man, it's dream come to the reality 100%. And the purpose, I want to put tiles here around here. You see, like yesterday it's raining and the water will running here, you see. But when I put here tiles and also here, but here I'll put rough cast. So guys, you wait. When you see rough cast here, you might see, guys, here, I'm telling you. So today I'm the handman, and I'm feel so better to be the handman, because sometimes you know, yesterday the handman who I was working here with my mason, he told me, oh my friend, I didn't feel okay. I said okay, and for now I didn't have the man labor, so I just be the handman and only mixing the cement, and maybe sometime I will take my mason from here, going to Nyabuhansi, cutting those tiles in grinder. So I will show you on the videos, guys. You'll be watching my video and then you'll see that at the end. I don't want maybe to black things saying, oh, today I'm the handman, and then after all you didn't see me. Oh, today you're supposed to cut the tiles in I will show you, guys. I will show you. And these are our boundaries. So these are our neighbors' land, and this is the boundary, guys. Imagine. And that I'm trying to plant these trees here. So actually that toilet, it's close to the boundary. In future, I'm trying to put here some. You wait, guys. I don't want maybe to mention right now, but wait. So dream are valid, guys. Whoa, my beautiful people, you ready for this? Because the time is running, guys. Look, it's 9:27. The time is running, 9:27. So I want to take my baby outside, and I'm ready to move on, guys. So for me, like when I want to create a flower garden here, I will use this sand that you see here, because I stock here, I stock there. It's so cold, guys, and I'm supposed to wear the full jacket, and I get outside. Wow, it's been long, guys. Let me visit first my mom's material over there. Guys, every day me I'm telling you, oh, this and this. This is where I'm born and raised, guys. Imagine on this humble, on this beautiful family. This is my grandma home, or my dad's home. That's my dad. That's my parents' dad's home. That's my dad's home, guys. Imagine. Wow. So far, so good. Everything is chilling. And you can see breathe fresh air from the village, East African Kenya, guys. This is the cock here. So, guys, I see the stones are reducing. It's because sometimes it's working on my side, guys. That's the good advantage to have the material on the ground. Sometimes you want to construct maybe something small, and it's need maybe the material site. So right now, maybe the big issue which have been tried to give me hectic is the toilet. When I finish up, the moment I finish up tiling, guys, and for me, honestly, I need your support. Maybe I can build my mom's dream house through your support, guys, you know. And sometime God will open other door, guys, in other way. So let me take my baby outside, and I'm ready to go, guys. Oh, guys, are you ready for this? So thank you so much for those people supporting us. From always me, I say thanks. You know, thanks. Oh, look at this car. Wow. So let's take you inside. And for those people are missing my premiere on my live videos, and actually it's my premier's videos, maybe you can have the special, maybe special sweet talk with other people, making friends. So from Monday, guys, believe on me, you shall get that video, because I was working on my toilet there. In other way said, I build a modern toilet in countryside. So sometime, you know, because of time, I can't make the long videos for premiere. For maybe from Monday, I will make long videos, and I will be captured any time. So from Monday, you shall join my premiere. For those people who are missing my premiere, and for me, I'm so sorry because of time. Sometimes, guys, I wake up in the morning. I supposed to go look for the mason brought here, and actually he came from far. So I supposed to go there with my motorbike. I pick him, I brought him to my site here. So no time for making long videos, but on Monday you shall see, guys. Let me take my baby outside, and I brought my mason here, guys. Boom. Wow, it's a chilling morning over here. Hey, my sister, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, unapoeza chai. Ukaa hapa nikuje. Usitoke hapa. That's my brother. Oh, hey, man. So that is the strong tea on the black cafe. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my brother, and in other way, that's my young sibling. So I'm the firstborn. Sometimes I take care of my brother and sister. In general, I take care of my family, 100%. I take care of my family, man, and I feel good, man. So, Nyaboni, nifungulie gate pale. I'm calling my sister to open for me a gate. So, imagine this, a basin with water here. So I wanna take my baby, guys, from here, and it's helped me so much. So I wanna say big shout out to Monkia for made it's possible. So right now I have my baby, and it helped me all the way, guys. So you see, guys, through your support, man, the tank is here and everything is here. So for me, the moment I get money is to invest. Maybe I didn't have maybe place to invest money, but I use that money to invest maybe in terms of construction. I see maybe some house it's mess up, it need, like for example, it need for renovation. I renovate the house, and I see what is missing up, maybe I do so I can do that way. So until when I demolish this house, and actually I'll build my mom three bedroom here. By God's grace, let's see how things they are, guys. Here, one day, believe on me, guys. So stay tuned, guys, as I move from here. And actually I want to take my baby outside. So big shout out to Monkia. Big thanks a million, bro. May God bless you wherever you are. Actually, if you don't know Monkia, he also has a YouTube channel, and he makes as an entertainment, as a fun. Monkia 23. Go and search him, and you shall see that videos when he surprised me with a motorbike. And although it's a second hand, but I appreciate, because he helped me a lot, guys. You know. Well, sometimes, guys, I feel like, oh man, you know, God brought Monkey to my village and Monkey made it possible to have my own motorbike. Man, I feel so happy. I feel so happy. When God say yes, nobody can say no. Trust me, guys. When God say yes, nobody can say no. So, guys, stay tuned. Okay. So, guys, I'm just over with my mason. We are on the way. Hold for me a camera.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
So guys, can do 254 right here. Ending the job right now.
So today maybe you say goodbye, the worship.
Yes, we are going to install downside. Yes. On the floor tiles.
So for me, I tell my people to advise me the tiles for the floor.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to put white, pure white. I need found the rough. Whoa!
Baby with his baby.
My baby. And sometimes we have our breakfast there.
Yeah, this is
Can you resume? Yes. This is our breakfast, guys. So you can keep it there on our store.
This is hello baby.
Yes. So I give you breakfast first.
Breakfast fast.
Because me, I'm telling Kenny V, first you take breakfast. Fast. Yes, let me bring for you.
No problem.
We call it black cafe. So this one I take there to tie. Guys. Today we say goodbye. The washroom. So guys, if you can support maybe the rest of the toilet, guys, please do so. I know for the haters don't like, but for me, honestly, I say what on my mind without telling you.
I don't think if you say haters, there is no haters. They just pretend to hate people.
You know haters, like the negative people. They try to pull you down, my friend.
No, they just pretend to pull you down.
Yes.
Yeah.
But they're sitting down watching my.
Of, the people that are around you, who loves you, they don't care about those people. They just pretend to, but they don't.
Yes.
Yeah.
They watched my video until the end and then drop the bad comment there. No problem. For me, So we start with this one or that one? For now. For now. Start with my mom.
No problem. We are going to start with here.
Yes. Yes, this is our cupboard, guys. We store our bread here. And it's 800 gram. Yes, start. Amerendu na makosa kidogo eh. Unaona?
Anyhow. Yote ziko sawa. Hata tukisema tunaruka hii.
Bado itatengenezwa.
Bado hapo.
Guys,
we have water here.
Water is here. Guys, today will be the handman. Imagine. You will see my reaction on my videos how it works as a handman. So first, then we brought the breakfast. We take here. We take here. Guys, are you ready for this? Be ready, guys. Your son will be the handman today because I'm so grateful, man. Sometime I need to make exercise. Ooh. Hey. Mnaenda kanisani? Toka. This is my sister. So guys, wanna look at the plate. We're putting bread and because always the hen are making noise there. Wow guys, because I'm trying to look for the plate and cup. So wow, this chicken are laying eggs, guys. Go outside. Wow. You will see your son how it's working. No guys, me I know how to work as a handman. Guys, don't ask me question why today will be the handman. Don't ask. Whoa. Well guys, so I'm going to bring the tiles right now. Whoa. So I'll show you that tiles for the floor, and actually guys, the rest toilets, 2 toilets which are remaining, you can advise me maybe which tiles I'm going to use on the floor, guys. Right now I'm the handman. Yeah man. So let me show you that tiles for the floor. Don't worry guys, this is my brother's room. That is it. And this is the tiles guys here. Just a minute. Oh guys, I'm the handman, you know. So that being said earlier, I'm the handman. Oh guys, are you ready for this? Fungo kabisa. Must bend here. Oh guys, today's today. You had the cook, so it's morning vibe. Wow, serious work at my home countryside to be a handman. Woo. My friend take, and it's heavy. Kana ziko pisi ngapi hapo? Unaweza sasa sikuhesabia nini? 10. 12 pieces. Yeah. Sisi ndo tutakuja kuweka hapa chini. So guys, so you want to see the color for the floor, maybe for the washroom, but toilet, advise us. For me, I'm trying to find the white. Look. You have the more. Huh? Kikoje kija kupigwa. Kitakuwa kisenge sana. What
We are
next?
going for the sand.
The sand. Oh, come with a spade. You know, guys, I want to put the wheelbarrow, and then I go to scoop the sand from other side. Nuchirene camera. Okay, you can for 20. Nikienda kufuata simiti nikuja nayo. Yeah? Hey guys, for me, I only like one box and I'm so like, man, hey, what? So let's see. Si niko naenda kuchota na chokoro. Chokoro nini? Hivi useme hello. Eh? Haya basi sema hello. Sema hello. Hello. Guys, this is my sister. My uncle's sister. This is my sister. Come on. Hey, we take the sand from far. Can I go get it? Pass here. I'm telling my son to pass here, guys. Here. You want to scoop the ballast. You know that advantage to have some material on the ground. May I use this slowly. You never know if my gun to hand that one.
Handman's work now.
This is handman work. It must be full. Full. Ama kidogo.
Kidogo for the start.
This is grade 2. You can make for blocks. Four. It's okay, or we add.
That is okay to remain the place of the cement.
Hey.
Yeah, men at work, guys.
That's one.
We are here now.
We mix inside here. I'm going to make it. Guys, I'm so tired. Let me remove the sweater, guys. Let me take the sweater back or the jacket. Wait, I remove the jacket, my friend. Is it so? I'm sweating. You know I'm sweating, my friend. I I had like water coming like on my body like chua. So let me put this one here. And then we continued our work. So because anytime I can move from here, so the sweater must be there. Guys, thank you so much. And let's see how your son will be working as a handyman in countryside home here. You know, I'm building the modern toilet in my countryside. Okay, Kenvi, what next? We mix the where? I'm gonna pim.
Yeah, just
Okay, nichanganye male ndani ama hapa chini. Kule ndani si nataka kuniua bro. Changanye chini.
It is which? So
Down is better. Or if you decide, pour for me. Let me pour for you cement. Decide.
I'm deciding with my brain right now.
Inside there, or we mix it down here. So me, I'm waiting your answer. I think that will be difficult. Hey, hapa. As we try to. Whoa. Well guys, wait. So we shall planning the place where you can mix this. So can you maybe will be there?
Okay.
Irudi nyuma kidogo. Now you know I'm the handyman. Today.
I can see you have experience.
Hey, the field is small. Oh, I think it's okay guys. So it's to add water. Maji yako hapo. There is water here. Oh my god. It's a long time guys. So maji yako hapa. I left my mason to add the size of the water quantity. What is maji yako na volume ama?
Yako na sound.
So you add water, the size that you want. How do you see? I'm perfect.
Can see.
Guys, I'm perfect in mixing. Wow. So we have already created the mortar here. So the mason that is mixing size of the mortar. You see, my African mom are watching. What is going on? Mom, what's up? Mama, say hello to my people.
Hello.
Yes. So I say, Mama, what's up? And she, whoa. Whoa. Wow, guys. Well, guys, so there's some errors going to my washroom, for my mama washroom, so we need to correct it with my plumber, guys. Imagine. So let's see. I want to show you the step, guys. So right now my plumber is around here. So can it be today your work stop?
Yes.
Let's see for the plumb. So when he finish up in good time, we should continue our time, guys. So let's see. He, Charge, he. Kwani pipe
Sasa hiyo na hiyo unaona vinafanana.
sisi nyingine kwa imani wengine.
Iko wapi?
Hile yenye umetoa hapa chini.
Iko wapi?
Ile ni bakuli.
Iko wapi? Unaona hii inakaa hapa. Unaona? Hii unaleta moto unachoma hii hapa. Inakaa hapa. Umesema ikaa hapa hii hapa. Unaelewa? Sasa tunahitaji kipisi hapa na kipisi cha kuingia hapa.
Kamba naona nikikunifa pisi na ya tameri. Sasa mimi ndio mambo na pipe uchacha sijui.
Hii sio kazi yangu sasa. This is not my job. So you have to be in for that.
Yes, I know. Must be.
So hata hii sio mimi nili-install pipe. Hii nimekuja tu Frontier ili kusaidia.
Okay. So you just do your part. You can go and see that pipe. Imagine, guys. So there's some small error here. I tried to solve it with my plumber here, guys, and he helped me a lot. So you are going to start maybe putting the tiles here, so that error occur. What in wrong with it again? Hey, so keep it red. Kambere ni kora yuhikera hanze hari. Aya yankumusingi Niko msingi kabisa. Kwa mageno. Yatatomere nura so yore.
Mnaambiwa next time mnapoambiwa kwamba
Okay, my brother. So you just solve that one. No problem.
Plumber mnaanza kunakimbia pale. Unaweka pipe
Something messed.
someone is cheap labor. Then you have to pay for that.
You know the mason who guys work here is the one who connect the pipe. And he pretend guys he know everything. So finally problem occurs. Work here ingine kile. Wakati ingine. Kwa sababu hapo ni muda. Alright, Pramba, go. This is your friend.
Why, sir?
For me, you know, no reason for me. you know the mason who the one said, "Oh, my friend, bring this one pipe."
The problem is that's not a specialist for plumbing. He just took somebody who didn't know it's supposed to be there. And what will be there next time?
We call cheap labor.
But somebody who is not qualified for that job.
Okay.
So, okay.
If you're plumber, your work is plumbing.
Yes.
If you're electrical, your work is electrical. If you're
So,
mason,
don't mix things up. Okay.
okay, let me bring the key. Well, guys, you know the mason killed me. Brought a lot of issues. I can't take your number, kid. Oh, guys, so we tried to burn the pipe. So in order to put the elbow, this one over here, oh guys, so work is continue going on here. We tried to burn the pipe and to connect, guys. Imagine, guys, what? Okay. Try to turn the motor inside. Avuma we.
Leta nani? Hiyo kijiko tu. Ken, saidi kijiko.
Kijiko iko hapo ndani.
Hapo juu. This is my professional plumber, guys. Unakuta kijiko mara. Wow, guys, so I'm heading to Border Town. Actually, I'm going to participate in the Nyabohansi no cement. Well, guys, here we go. I'm outside in my bed. So actually I'm going to purchase cement, one bag, and then I'll come back. I'm from Border Town right now, so this is the cement I went to pick from Border Town, and Nyabohansi no hardware because today's on Sunday, even Border Town, guys. But I'm lucky enough, I found one of a small hardware selling the cement, guys. And it's raining time. I can show you. Temkuhira nyumba. Sasa sijui pale kwa mwisho.
Utaweka kwa choo.
Choo.
Fungua choo moja tu.
Ufunguko wapi? Keni ndo kona. Enda kwanza basi ufungwe. So imagine guys. Wamekula. Wamepika. And I will show you how the tiles were being fixed. Because we were supposed to finish today, but there's some small issues, and my plumber came and solved it because the mason, he was the one who done those mistakes, who built this toilet. So right now I brought my plumber here. Tora unyori. Ifungue ya mwisho.
Sie uko mwisho.
Bibi.
Wah.
Say hello to my people.
Hello.
That's my sister. Guys, I'm so tired right now. Since morning, man, I was working as a handyman.
Sinafika hapa nyumbani tu.
This.
All right. I try to take this.
I'm trying to put as a support here. Weke kitu kidogo. Ona hichi. Okay, so I'm trying to put support here because this place. Well, let me show you guys how work have been going because of the time. You know what? You are lucky enough. No hardware, Nyabohanse open, even Sirai. So I found a small hardware.
But you found it.
But I found it. I'm lucky enough.
Okay.
So how was everything here? You see, guys.
We're just trying our best to finish at least this one.
For me, I no problem with you. You just work on this one, and then, guys, let me end my video by saying thank you so much. May God bless you, and also check
me out, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, guys. We're only looking for the watching hour.
Yeah. Road to monetization.
Yes, road to monetization, guys. Only watching hour, guys. So thank you so much. May God bless you. Shall meet for the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.